6 amazing health benefits and uses of fresh garlic. Garlic is well known as one of the most powerful natural medicines in the world and has been used for over 2,500 years in cooking and herbalism. The garlic plant is known as Allium sativum, and all parts of this can be eaten, but generally we tend to use the bulb of the plant. Inside what we call a head or a bulb, you'll find several cloves of garlic, which are then peeled and used in all kinds of delicious recipes and health tonics. In this video, I will be sharing with you a list of some of the most effective ways to use garlic and its most powerful health benefits. I'll also be sharing some simple recipes so that you can start including this cure-all food into your regular diet. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Benefit number 1 is improving blood flow. One of the main benefits of garlic is its ability to improve the flow of blood through the body, supplying oxygen and nutrients to trillions of your cells. There are several natural sulfur compounds, including ajuine and allicin in garlic, which have been shown to normalize blood pressure by acting as a natural ACE inhibitor. This helps to naturally protect the walls of your arteries against oxidation, helping to protect and support the pumping action of your heart. So start including some fresh garlic into your daily diet by adding it to salads, stir-fries, soups, or simply chewing on a clove once per day. Studies show that eating garlic regularly can be as powerful as using standard blood pressure medications, but without the side effects normally associated with them. It's also been shown to help the body dissolve dangerous blood clots, which could have led to thrombosis, heart attack, or stroke. Benefit number 2 is healing sinus infections. Garlic is undoubtedly one of the best natural remedies to kill off infections in the nose, throat, sinuses and ears, as it's antifungal, antiviral and antibacterial. So to use this remedy, crush 3 to 4 garlic cloves and then steep them in a cup of hot distilled water for 10 minutes. Allow the mixture to cool and then strain it to remove the garlic pieces. Use a neti pot or a clean dropper to gently pour the garlic infused water into one nostril whilst tilting your head to allow it to flow out of the other nostril. Do this twice per day to quickly destroy infections and to relieve congestion in your sinuses. I also recommend piercing 1 capsule of wild oregano oil and adding this to the mixture, as this works with the garlic to clear up the infections even faster. Moreover, scordanin, another ingredient within garlic, helps to clear up seasonal allergies like hay fever and helps to reduce pressure in the sinuses. If you have an ear infection, on the other hand, you can infuse garlic with some lukewarm olive oil and then place a few drops of this in your ear 3 times per day. If you have a sore throat, you can make a soothing garlic tea by steeping 3 to 4 crushed cloves in a cup of hot water. Allow this to steep for 5 to 10 minutes, strain, add 1 tablespoon of raw honey and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Try sipping on this tea very slowly through the day to lower inflammation in your throat, boost your immune system and recover from whatever infection that you may have faster. Simply chewing on a clove of garlic can also kill harmful bacteria that's in your mouth and is an effective remedy for toothache. If you're finding this information helpful at all, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn all notifications on to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Moving on now to number 3, which is clearing pimples and acne. Pimples, acne, blackheads and whiteheads occur when there is an infection in the sebaceous oil glands beneath your skin. This happens when some of your hormones are out of balance because you either have high estrogen or high androgen levels. To remedy this, it's important to cut out sugary foods and drinks and eat more foods that are rich in sulfur. Garlic, onions, broccoli, cruciferous vegetables and milk thistle can all provide this sulfur that you need, which support your liver in balancing out these hormones, thus clearing up the acne on your skin by fixing the root underlying cause. To clear up the existing pimples, redness and irritation, you can also make a garlic paste by mashing 3 garlic cloves in a small bowl with a fork and mixing it with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Gently apply this mixture to pimples using a cotton pad and let it sit on the skin for 30 minutes before washing away with warm water and a gentle soap. The natural antibacterial properties of the garlic and the hydrating properties of the aloe vera will help to soothe the inflammation in your skin and dry out the pimples. Benefit number 4 is supporting your digestion. The father of modern medicine, called Hippocrates, was famous for saying all disease begins in the gut over 2,500 years ago. Nowadays, we know that this isn't always the case. However, a large percentage of health problems do occur when our digestive system is out of balance. Eating garlic or consuming garlic-infused water regularly is a powerful way to support digestion, as it can stimulate the release of digestive juices, including bile from your liver and enzymes from your stomach and pancreas. So, people who suffer with gas and bloating may consider adding more fresh garlic to their meals to help eliminate the flatulence. In addition, garlic has been shown in many different studies to help destroy H. pylori, a bacteria that often causes gastritis and stomach ulcers. Garlic is also effective in killing off worms and other internal parasites, and it's very powerful for killing off harmful microbe overgrowths in your gut, such as candida, whilst feeding your friendly microbes with fructans. Lastly, for this section, garlic also supports the liver in phase 1 and phase 2 detoxification. This means that it helps to remove toxins and poisons from your blood, which often come from foods that we eat and also the environment. Now, benefit number 5 that you may not have realized is that garlic can boost your energy. Nowadays, there's $1 billion industry selling so-called energy drinks, which are loaded with caffeine and harmful additives. If you're feeling tired quite often, instead of trying to hack your body with these drinks, consider addressing the root causes instead. Before you go to bed, take a glass of water and add 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Put this in the refrigerator overnight. In the morning, strain out the garlic pieces and add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of raw lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Drink this on an empty stomach in the morning and you'll notice a profound, powerful energy boost that lasts all day long, but it's natural. Compounds in the garlic boost nitric oxide production. This is a gas which dilates and opens up your blood vessels and improves blood flow to your brain. The allithiamine, a form of B1 in garlic, also works with the short-chain fatty acids from the vinegar to boost mental focus and energy output from your cells. This is also very effective for boosting endurance when you're exercising. The lemon juice and the honey are optional, however these ingredients also contribute to high energy levels. If you drink this mixture for a few days and you still find that you're feeling tired or weak, add 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt to provide sodium and trace minerals, and this will help to activate the energy factories within your cells. And finally, garlic can also boost your hair growth. Have you ever wondered why some people have a full head of hair well into old age, yet others tend to thin out, even in their early 20s? The main problem here is called patterned hair loss or androgenetic alopecia. You see, the hair tends to start receding from the front or the back of the head in men, but this also happens in women. This is caused by a buildup of a hormone called DHT, which shrinks the hair follicle and slows the growth cycle of your hair, causing hair loss. Fortunately, garlic and onions contain potent natural chemicals, including allicin and quercetin, which can help to block this DHT and help your hair to grow naturally. Simply peel the cloves from a whole head of garlic and also 1/2 of a red onion. Place these ingredients in a food processor with 500 milliliters or 2 cups of water and then blend. Rub this garlic and onion liquid onto your scalp for 15 minutes each day before your shower and then wash it out with shampoo. This powerful natural remedy helps to block an enzyme called reductase and DHT to improve the health of your hair follicles and promote faster hair growth. Other ways to use garlic. Now that you've learned about some of the most powerful health benefits of garlic, let's take a look at some additional ways that you can get this into your body. If you wish, you can take 2400 milligrams of aged garlic extract on a daily basis if you don't like the taste of it, but you still want to improve your overall health. This supplement is often used to support heart health and blood pressure. Another way to use garlic is by making a simple salad dressing. Take 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1.5 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 cloves of garlic that have been grated, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. Add all of these ingredients to a tight-lidded jar, shake it well to combine, and use this delicious mixture to drizzle over your daily salad. You could also make a wonderful roasted garlic soup. Take 25 cloves or 3 bulbs worth of garlic, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 pinch of salt and pepper, 1 white onion, 1.5 teaspoons of chopped fresh thyme, and 3.5 cups of vegetable stock. For this method, drizzle unpeeled garlic cloves with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Tightly seal these ingredients in a pouch made from silver foil and roast them for 40 minutes in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Whilst you're doing this, roast the onion in the oven uncovered at the same time. Once it's cooked, allow the garlic and the onion to cool and squeeze out the flesh from each clove, discarding the skins. Then remove the outer hardened peel of the onion. To make the soup, add the thyme, garlic, onion and vegetable stock to a pot, bring to the boil and then turn down to simmer gently for 6 minutes. Remove this from the heat and then blend or process the soup until it's completely smooth, season with additional salt and pepper to taste and enjoy. And finally, a simple one is garlic and ginger paste. Take 2 heads of garlic and 4 inches of fresh ginger. Peel the garlic and the ginger and process them in a food processor until it's smooth. I personally love using this simple ginger and garlic paste as a base for homemade curries or to use in my Chinese style stir fries. Make sure to cover this with a plastic wrap as it will keep in the refrigerator like this for 7 to 10 days maximum. Precautions and side effects. During my research for this video, I noticed that many people were asking if they could feed garlic to their pets like their cats and dogs. The answer to this question is no. Garlic, along with other allium vegetables like onions, chives and leeks, should absolutely not be fed to your pets. The thiosulfides within them can be harmful to the red blood cells of felines and canines. Another thing to consider is that if you suffer from acid reflux, you may want to avoid garlic, as this can sometimes aggravate the condition. Instead, see my video entitled 6 vitamins to stop acid reflux permanently if you have this. Those of you taking medications or blood thinners should definitely speak to their doctor before using heavy amounts of garlic, as it can interact with these medications. The powerful odour of garlic can also cause bad breath, and it can be excreted through the sweat glands if you consume too much, but that is the price to pay for its extraordinary health properties. To learn more about some of the most nutritious foods in the world, tap on this playlist that's on your screen now. Thank you again for watching my video, and as always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.